Hello, Gabriel. Welcome to Lesson 3 of Vocation class. Today is Wednesday, August 12th of 2020. Today's objective will be to define and review different types of employment. Guiding question. What is employment? Our do now will be vocational question of the day. And assign yourself. Camera on, mic on mute, and ready to learn. Let's begin. Do now. Vocational question of the day. Do you like to help other people in any way you can? Employments. Employment. To earn income, you need to be employed or have a job. You need to decide what type of employment you are looking for. There are several types of employment to choose from. Types of employment. These are the most common types of employment: part-time, full-time, and entrepreneur. Let's review them all. First, part-time. Part-time employees work under 35 hours per week. Part-time jobs help gain experience. Part-time employees can have a flexible schedule. Let's practice. Question 1. Part-time employees work under 30 hours, 2 hours, 100 hours. Great job! Part-time employees work under 30 hours. Practice question number 2. Part-time jobs help gain toys, experience, or books. Awesome, Gabriel. Part-time jobs help gain experience. Examples of part-time jobs. An example of a part-time job are delivery drivers. Jobs like the pizza delivery man or women. Another example of a part-time job are cashiers. Cashiers work in stores like Walmart, Target, the mall, or Office Depot, and restaurants too. What other stores do you meet cashiers? The second type of employment is full-time. Full-time employees work over 35 hours per week. Full-time jobs require experience. Full-time employees can get a higher income. Let's practice. Question 1. Full-time employees work over 10 hours, 40 hours, 2 hours. Great job! Full-time employees work over 40 hours. Examples of full-time jobs. One example of a full-time job are teachers. Teachers are full-time jobs. Teachers work every day at the same time. Another example of full-time jobs are police officers. they can work over 40 hours a week and even holidays. The third and final form of employment is entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs start their own business. Entrepreneurs create something new and unique. Entrepreneurs don't have a boss. Let's practice. Entrepreneurs start their own business, truck, food. Awesome! Entrepreneurs start their own business. Examples of entrepreneur jobs are the snack stores. Entrepreneurs are people who have opened their own snack stores. These stores sell various snacks like drinks, ice cream, chips, and elotes. Now we will go to our exit ticket. Exit ticket question number 1. What is an example of a part-time job? A delivery driver, a teacher, or a boss? Awesome! An example of a part-time job is a delivery driver. Exit ticket question number 2. What is an example of an entrepreneur job? A photographer, a custodian, or a waiter? Great job! An example of an entrepreneur job is a photographer. Great job, Gadiel. We have finished today's lesson. See you tomorrow.